guys, welcome to MacArthur. This is Leyte, si Kuya, nag-drive ako. So ngayon, this is dedication to our fallen hero. Yan. Mabilis lang. Tignan lang natin kung anong meron dito. Ito yung pinaka-shrine natin. Bilisan lang natin ng konti. Ito yung MacArthur Landing Memorial National Park. Ayan. Alright. Tayo ngayon. Natin to. Kung meron dito. Of course, we have to read it quickly only. And natin. Yan. Dedicated for men and women who fought for freedom and democracy for 50 years. Tapos dito, I think it's just the same, so hindi na tayo pupunta dyan. No, I think it's not the same. We'll check. So MacArthur Landing Memorial Park built in commemoration of General Douglas MacArthur in the Philippines. Ayan, there you go. Ayan na. Shall return. The famous I shall return. Ayan. Memorial Park. Natin yan. Ayun, mga tao. Natin. Yun o. Yun ang Memorial Park. Yun o. Memorial Park. Memorial Park. Ayan, may lang mga. Sensya na, taga Maynila.